Hello everybody! In this tutorial, we show you how to edit materials and textures. In our scene, we select an object. We click on the book icon in the right column and choose a material. All Reality Max materials are smart material. They adapt to the size of the object. Exist two other ways of changing textures. One option is uploading a texture from our device. We click and we select Upload in the image below, then choose our image. Or we select the object we want and drag the image from our device directly to our project. Once applied, we can modify its color. You can also change the polish property that will affect the polishing of the object. And the glow property that affects the emissivity of the object. Feel free to play with the properties until you find the ideal point for your model. I hope you found it helpful. Catch you later!